Well, let's give this a go again. This is William of Williams, Philippines, and it is 4:41 in the a.m. on August 7th, 2024, Wednesday morning, my Friday afternoon. Yay! It is what it is. Picked up a couple more subscribers, 128. Woohoo! Let's keep going. I hope y'all are enjoying this. Thank you for being subscribers. Anyway, yeah. It's my Friday, and this morning I get to run over to, I think, the last therapy on my neck and shoulder. So, yay. And actually, it seems to have helped some, so that's a good thing. And after I get done there, I'm running over to go talk to the hearing aid lady. Livingston Hearing Aid, I think it is. Anyway, gotta get new ones of these, because, yeah, it's good to hear. And I'm pretty much getting rough. They can't do really much about the tinnitus, but they definitely made it to where I can hear again, so that's a good thing. But hey, ringing in the ear, it happens. And well, it's been these are 3 years old, and I need to get some new ones, and well, get them while I have the insurance now, and be able to, put it on my insurance here before I go and try to have to pay for them somewhere else. Because, well, I'm already paying for the insurance here, so might as well put it to use. And besides, never hurts to have something in the way of backup, and I can keep these old ones as backup for a pair of, and get a new pair. Because, well, you never know when you're going to need something, as backup. Yeah. Couldn't possibly know anything about walking into the shower with my hearing aids on and having to go get new ones. At least the insurance covered that one. Yeah, warranty. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day and that your week's going good. Mine's coming to a screeching halt. I got about, 2 hours more after I get done with this. Hopefully, 2.5. Hopefully my relief will show up on time and I can go get both these things done. And got a couple other things planned. Yeah. I ate right after doing my video yesterday. Problem was what I ate apparently, yeah. I ate some leftovers from the girl, and apparently the Wendy's was not good, because she was sick today, and I was sick all yesterday also, so yeah, not good. She didn't make it into work, I did. I don't let stuff stop me too much. Even when it's painful, I usually still get up and try. Needless to say, I walked into my boss working. What can I say? I wasn't expecting to find him here, but apparently the other girl just didn't feel up to being here for that. And I can understand why. Yeah. Nothing like being sick at both ends to make you not want to get up and go to work. But I'm too dumb to take and stay in bed and not make my dollar. Yeah, it is what it is. But hey, it could have been worse. I'm thankful it wasn't. But apparently she ate a lot more than I did, so That might be why she didn't make it. So, yeah, I had fun today, or yesterday. But anyway, I'm hoping everybody's having a good day and it's good food. I haven't eaten yet today, and I'm probably not going to eat for a while because, quite honestly, I don't feel like anything. I don't want to put anything in my gut right now. It's been real interesting. But anyway, yeah, I know that's probably not the conversation you were expecting to have with me today. Well, it is what it is. I've got to try and go over and drop a couple more guns at a couple more places for consignment. I want to go get the hearing aids. That's probably going to take 2 hours there. Somewhere in there, I'm going to try to swing by and visit with a friend and talk to him about some radio equipment. And then, I don't know, come home, go to sleep, and think about waking up and eating something after 10, 11, midnight tomorrow. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah. All kinds of fun stuff. But yeah, my boss was growling at me because, he heard that I left out of here sick, and he got a phone call from her saying she was sick. And he's telling me, you're supposed to be careful and not just eat everything, especially when it's been sitting out for a while. Well, usually there's not too much of a problem with eating, it's been wrapped up in a wrapper still, and, it's not been, yes, it's been in the bad temperatures range for a while, but usually there's not that much of a problem with eating something that's only been out for 6 hours. Usually that's not a bad problem, it's still edible. Sometimes it ain't, though. And yeah, needless to say, I'll be paying more attention to that and not letting that happen, because, yeah, I don't know what time it was when she ate it, but it definitely wasn't good for me. And yeah. Anyway, hopefully I'll lose a couple pounds out of this. We'll see. Not exactly my idea of a proper weight loss program, but hey, I'll take what I can lose, or lose what I can have. Something like that. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and I'm going to call it. I need to get up and start doing breakfast around here. And yeah, I'm not exactly feeling real energetic, so I'm going to start a couple minutes early. I hope y'all have a blessed day and a good work week. And I'll try to catch you tomorrow. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.